Hello, Karen here. A lot of people have asked me, how do I make these kinds of wind chimes? So today I thought I would show you my techniques in making custom wind chimes. So I usually start with the top, the base. For this one I chose a really interesting shaped piece of driftwood. Once it's outside it will bleach out nicely. I use these tools, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and nippers. I had some stone beads, crystals, and agates for the chime. I make my chimes like I would make a jewelry necklace, making link by link. I take a piece of 20 gauge copper wire and using my round nose plier, I make a fold and then a loop and then I close the loop. I add the link or the bead or chain, and then using flat nose pliers I wind the excess wire around at least 2 or 3 times and snip off the excess wire. So on a flat surface I assemble the links and put them together, adjusting as I go. I connect the pieces to eye hooks that I've screwed into my piece of driftwood. Everything is very sturdy for the outdoors. Here's how I make the glass pieces for the wind chime. I chose 4 darker colors of stained glass and then a pattern to make the shape and cut them out with glass cutting tools. I ground the edges smooth and then I use my Dremel with a diamond bit to drill the holes. I connected all the pieces, but I didn't completely close the connections just in case I needed the pieces to be adjusted and fine-tuned. Out to the front yard for a final sound check. It makes a great sound, doesn't it? So that's how I made this wind chime. I hope it was fun to watch. Thank you so much for visiting my channel again. Bye!